He noticed in the morning the birds stopped singing. Not in the real world, those were still loud enough. But inside of him, inside, the forest he'd carried since childhood had gone strangely quiet, like someone who had pressed pause on an entire universe. He sat in an open field, watching cars rush past, people moving with purpose, life happening in colors he could not feel. The breeze brushed his skin, but it carried no meaning. He used to love days like this. There was a time he had wings, bright ones, the kind that made people say, "Oh, that boy will go for her." And he believed them. He tried, he ran, and he kept running.